So what really happened today? What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions, and here is a quick live stock market update for you guys all. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I upload new videos every single day, and of course, if you feel like I earned it, destroy that like button. So let's go ahead and start sharing my screen. I like to keep my trading super simple, and we actually talked about this during our live trading session. The market's been getting choppy, let's be honest, right? So for the past, 7 days, the market has been somewhat green. Maybe the 8 days has been somewhat green. Yes, on Monday we had kind of like a break-even day. I think the NASDAQ market ended a little bit in the red. Today was really the first red day for the NASDAQ market. Let's be real, right? TQQQ ended down 4%. SQQQ gained 4% on the day. So I like to keep my trading super simple. I don't know about you guys, but I am so tired of always having to chase different stocks. It's cool if I see an opportunity like AMC. AMC began to skyrocket. I view it as a day trade. I was thinking about getting in and then it lost its momentum. It crashed right back down. It was up like 20% on the day and then ended down 13%. Again, it's going to lose a type, right? But when it comes down to SQQ, all I need to focus on is direction. When the market's overbought and the NASDAQ market, let's be honest, right, for the past couple of days, it's been indicating signs of an uptrend. So therefore, TQQQ, which is the bull ETF, has been making higher highs and higher lows. It's been great. It's been something that for the past 2.5 months, we've been anticipating. But let's be honest, after 7 to 8 days of either a break-even and or a green day, it makes sense that the market's going to have to breathe and correct itself. I think today was overdue. And I don't think it's necessarily done. I'm going to explain that in just a little bit. So again, feel free to share your thoughts down in the comment section. I made a quick little $700 profit, nothing too crazy to talk about, but it's how I traded it. It was super simple for me to be able to identify this. If you guys look at the 5-minute time frame, it's very easy to see. TQQQ was bearish during the pre-market session based off of its performance yesterday. It began to indicate signs of an uptrend, the same resistance level that it got rejected at yesterday. Patterns tend to repeat themselves. They don't always have to. It got rejected, broke below the 5-minute EMA, and then started to make lower lows and lower highs. That's when we stepped on the gas, began to indicate signs of an uptrend, and we walked away with, again, a couple $100 profit. It approached the same levels that it was at right when the market opened. How or why did I know that? Again, every trade comes at some form of risk. It's never like a 100% guarantee. But the direction during the pre-market session was so consistently bearish, and when I began to see it struggle at that same resistance level from yesterday, I was certain that I'm okay with taking on the risk if things don't go according to plan, because I know that the previous direction was in my favor and my upside outweighed my downside. It was a 3-to-1 ratio, meaning that at 3% upside, 1% downside, it met my criteria. But why did this happen? You might be asking, why is the NASDAQ market pulling back a little bit today and not the other days? Great question, right? Well, the first thing to remind yourself is why was the market even indicating signs of an uptrend? If we go to IXIC, this is the NASDAQ index. And the great thing about the NASDAQ index is that, again, it has a big focus on tech. With inflation rates and with everything there that we've talked about before, this is what gets affected. It's already factored into the market. So it's not that anything got better that caused the market to go up. It's that things didn't get necessarily worse until today. If you guys pay attention to what we've talked about before, oil prices. Oil prices today surpassed $120 a barrel, if I'm not mistaken. Oil was bullish today. And again, it's just the market had no reason for it to continue to rally other than things weren't getting worse. And with this, again, just oil being more expensive, reminding us that the tensions between Russia and Ukraine are still present, inflation is still present, interest rates are yet to rise even more aggressively according to the Feds. It's, I think, just the moment where the market began to realize, okay, we're still not necessarily getting better. And then with the oil prices, it just brought us back to reality. I think that as oil prices continue to rise, this most likely will have a greater negative influence on the overall market. Again, the markets don't always rise just on good news. It's when things don't get worse that they begin to rise. But it's a simple question to ask yourself. Are things getting worse for today Oil prices, definitely. Oil prices are rising, then that means people like you and I pay more at the pump. So please make sure you take that into consideration and how it's all somewhat a domino effect. I'm very excited to follow up to see how the market opens tomorrow. Again, we host these daily live trading sessions every single day. I'm not too sure if you've ever had the opportunity to watch me trade live, but if you ever want to, click the second link in the description, and this will send you on over to my Learn Plan Profit 2.0 landing page. Right now, we are running a discount, and it is a total of $50 off the Learn Plan Profit 2.0, and this gets you daily access to my daily live trading sessions, 24/7 access to my private group chat, and of course, lifetime access to that A to Z video lesson library. If you guys follow me on Instagram, the link is down below. One thing that we did announce today is that if you're a Learn Plan Profit member, you also get access to our TechBuds Trading HQ. It's our in-person facility. So if you ever really find yourself in Chandler, Arizona, we'd love to have you visit, meet the team, and trade alongside other people. So again, it's not like an in-person workshop. It's literally just a co-working space for local traders. How cool would that be? So it's, again, a 7,000 square foot facility. It's 15 offices, and I would love to invite you. So again, if you want to visit us, you do have to be a part of Learn Plan Profit. So make sure you click that second link down below and learn a little bit more about it to see if it's a good fit for you. I appreciate you guys' time. I'll see you tomorrow for our live trading session. Make sure you smash that like button, and of course, consider subscribing. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.